Alright, so we've got the seats in. I think they look really good. So now that we've got all that with the seats figured out, we'll get them put in, no problem. Next up, we're gonna have to do the fuel injectors. But we just got the seal kit in the mail, so those will be going in soon. The intake is off again. Wasn't gonna bore you guys with that process again. So that is off and is right there. We have the driver's side rail, but the passenger rail is on back order. So Corbo is actually making us a new rail, and as soon as we get that, the passenger seat will go in, and this baby will be, I don't want to say done, but she'll be just about done. Also, the beautiful HKS exhaust is still doing just fine. We love it. We also have some new wheels on order. We actually bought them as a set. They're coming in the mail as the wheel, tire, and balanced. So we're very excited for that. They will be in very soon, and I can't wait for you guys to see them. All right, so while this seat is out, this is a great time to give you guys a little interior update. So that trim piece up there is brand new. All of this is brand new. We fixed the shift boot also, and we've got our new radio in there. So before it was a whole big head unit, and now we have a Alpine radio. Also, this is our seat mount that was rotted out. So what we're doing is, my dad has made a sheet metal kind of overlay, and he's riveting it in, and we attached a bolt from the back side so that a bolt comes out, and we can just screw the seat rails down. So this was a cool little vantage point. With the seat being out, I was able to actually like film in here. And also I fixed the door. Now you can get out. But for right now, we're gonna put these into there, and that back on there, and then the hood on.
So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. She is running. We just did a cold start. Just got a whole bunch of snow. Nice little cold start. She's going. So there we have it. We got the hood back on. Intake is all plumbed up. We got everything back together. Intake manifold. She is purring like a kitten. So we are also going to be painting the calipers black. So we sprayed some PB Blaster on them, loosen up the bolts, and that's going to be my dad's project while I head back to school.